Top stories. Fish fairs held at various places in connection with Ningol Chakoba. Chief Minister in Biren, leaders of various political parties greet people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. And MPCC stages protest demonstration over completion of 2 years of demonetization. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me Haripriya Tongbram presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. In connection with the Ningol Chakoba Festival, Fisheries Department, Government of Manipur organized state-level fish fair at NCC ground, DM College today. The fair was organized with an aim to make at least 90 kilograms of fish for the biggest festival of the Meitei community. In all, 90 fish stalls participated at the fair. Addressing at the inaugural function, Fisheries Minister in Kaishi said the government is taking initiative to stop import of fish products by 2022.
Hill area of the fish farming potential kayamuk lay masina ngagi potok angakpa phangna hengatkadaba mating pangani fish farming activities hengat handuna highest fish production panghanbada state asibo inat khunba resourceful oiba state ama oinanaba honorable chief minister mahaknaso fishery department sibo yamna concern pi biduna concern minister ayhadaso kauraga manipur da fishery department si hajana tapatningai sem sasi enakanna aingwato advice pba.
With an objective of producing about 1 lakh kilograms of fish on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba Festival, Lamjingbatomtv organized its first state-level Ningol Chakoba Fish Fair at Tidim Ground today. Deputy Speaker K. Robindro inaugurated the fish fair, which was visited by tens of hundreds of people during the day itself. Fish farmers from various districts made varieties of fish available at 80 stalls at the fair. Talking to our correspondent, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro said the state is witnessing a great leap in the overall production of fish. Organizing such fair is indeed a good step, he added.
Indeed a great opportunity ngasi ama phangba khagi chakobuna lakpada masunguma mela ama khagi lamjing group na atete hiram su ma mating pangala adugu su laiba khagi chakobusida praja singda nga fresh oina khagi maparom puslakba hidak khagi yawba khotba ma adu mum do hara horona kumai ma afau prokota kumai ma tabu matamda fresh oiba yamna afauba nga pijano honobada lamjung group na ngasi finance to akhoi geno ngami memda help tobiraga store amda palising tara pibiba aduga makhoigi lairiba nga singa manghal loidabagi mawongda phajana praja su haraon ba ngami mem su makhoi du moina wana tha kya dagi moina honabiraga nga chaholaga se pothoriba makhoi su mangdaba makhoi su sendong yawraga phajana help tobiraga ngasi akhoigi lamjing ba group na loina simbirise masigi damak ihana lamjing group
On the other hand, Chairman of Lamjingba Group, Jeki Mangang, greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba.
Ngasigi first state level ngagi mela Lamjingba Group ki agro section ki taraf tagi pangtok chariba sida stall phambi ganena lakpiriba amadi porasingbu leibi ganena lakpiriba mayambu ham makta da Ningol Chakoba mari leinana yape pawjel pijari loina ngasigi asugum laba khoi ngagi mela si hayeng bobo pangtok jagani ado pangtok jagadiriba manung sida khoina thamjariba adi sigi mela sigi offer haitare khoi nga kiji ama leiba matamda sorry nga kiji manga leiba matamda khoigi ama free da hapsariba plus ahum leiba matamda makhai ma pangjariba si hairiba stall phamriba mioi sing sibu pharmi sing ngami sing sibu puning thogar pibu oina mafam asida lakpiduna somsongi chakoboda mathel ama oigadoriba nga si gi khudol tamjage habdo ai thamjari.
People swarm the main markets in Imphal city as Ningol Chakauba is around the corner. Tens of hundreds of people reach the main markets in Imphal city in preparation for the biggest festival of Meitei community. Chief Minister N. Biren and leaders of various political parties greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakauba festival.
Meitei Jati ki oina chatnaba fajagraba kumamada mungtang lakpa Ningol Chakauba mapungokpa makhura mapana masan macha singbu yum ban khraba atopada sakraba singbu ningsingba oina mari fajaba mari maintain tawraga thamnaba adugumba imung manunggi oibadu satharun lakpa Manipur gi Ningol Chakauba lakpa sida ai praja miyamda maruoina Ningol singda yafa paujal pichari aduga matam khragi mamangdagi civil society clubs organization kaya amanasu singi silnau singbu tampakta kauba tampaki silise singbu singda kauba aduga tampak khundariba muslim singi silinau sing amasan singbu Meitei na kauba Meitei gi singbu muslim na kauba gumba yamna fajjaba mawngda sathanarakpa asi yamna encourage tawningai ni ana madugumba organize tawriba Ningol Chakauba sigi mingda lakpaga loinana aikoina singtam jati bijati dharma gi khenaba leitana jati gi khenaba leitana amatta oina nungsi sana lainaba honariba civil society NGO punamak aigi maikei dagi amadi government gi maikei dagi thagatpa phongdoksari aduga suguma festival sina lakpada mayam punamak ingna singna nungsi sana na leiba ngamnana ba isona board pibiramna sunu haidana isora nijari
Manipur gidamak khwaidagi phajaba aduga khwaidagi achauba festival asida Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki bihapta afaba paujel pijari afaba chahi afaba kum oisunu aduga Manipur se ingna tapna panba chawkhat palam oiresnu haina ekhoina pijari
Manipur ki khoi khwaidagi chawba sahi madamtang lakpa iselise sing aduga khoi ki nungsijaraba khoi ki tongan tongan community ki iselise sing su khoi ki Chakauba numit asida mabung pasing na sahi gi manungda leijaba ngamjaba pot khudol pidana nungsina khoi sak saminaba thanginaba numit asida su ban blockade aduga nungsina da punak thadoga singmi tami amatani habigi wakhalonda akhoi Chakauba sisu pangthok ko oisanu madudagi shanti oina poraktana Manipur se yam ingna sikpa ingba sikpa adugumba Manipur ma orsanu haidana sivsena gi magi dagi amadi isagi magi dagi miyam punamakta thamjari
MVP na sahi khudingi khogi Ningol singi oiba Ningol Chakauba kumai lakpasida MVP ki site gi khogi ching amadi tam amadi Meitei pangan leibiriba khogi Ningol sing apunbagi oina khoi Ningol Chakauba ki khudon se khoi ingna sikna amadi yamna khogi santi laina pangthok pinaba MVP site gi haijari noina khogi Ningol singna khogi hajik laiba khogi chanabisida henna arang arak amadi khogi kanagumba senjau paiba singna Ningol singi damakta especially khogi achauba arang arak ngam unbagi chanabisi khoi kitang lathok pinaba khoi apunba amadi chamana mieng amada khoi festival pangthok pinaba khoi thamjage noina masidaida khogi Manipur gi oina sugumba Ningol Chakauba kumai sida maruina khogi dukan phambiriba pocha yonbiriba khogi Manipur gi leibiriba businessman singnasu asugumai khudong chabsi yengbiraga khogi maman hengatana amadi chanabi chang amadi yengbiraga khogi Ningol singi ba sugumba kumai sida hena kai to thoktana ba amadi maman hena yonbidana ba MVP site gi appeal tawjare
MPCC sit-in demonstration as Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley celebrates completion of 2 years of demonetization in India. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Tien Hau Kip, Congress MLAs and other parties leaders also with many Congress workers took part in the protest demonstration which was staged at the RBI office at DM College Road. Protesters held placards reading Modi government is the killer of poor people of India. Same Modi, same demonetization extra. Talking to media person, President Tien Hau Kip said demonetization has agonized the poor section of the society. As such, the Congress party strongly condemns the Modi government. The president of MPCC asserted.
Demonetization di maramna koi India ki industry macha kaipana sing lomi sinmi aduga lairaba loina waduna leire International Monetary Fund na masigi trade si tatagradi India di one of the worst financial crisis lakani haibanina Modi sarkar di ekoi yaningdre.
Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley marked the second anniversary of demonetization with his latest blog today, saying that the motive behind banning all rupees 500 and rupees 1000 currency notes was to formalize the economy and not confiscate cash. As many as 93.3% of the old rupees 500 and 1000 notes that were banned overnight in November 2016 were written according to the Reserve Bank of India annual report. Of the rupees 15.41 lakh crore worth of rupees 500 and rupees 1000 notes is circulation before November 8, 2016. Notes worth rupees 15.31 lakh crore were written. The system required to be second in order to make India move from cash to digital transaction, which would obviously have an impact on higher tax revenue and a higher tax base. Jaitley added in favor of demonetization, taking sides with the move. He further said it went on to become a key step in a chain of important decisions taken by the government to formalize the economy. And now let's have a short break.
Let's celebrate the epitome of love and bonding. Watch the Ningol Chakoba Musings on Tom TV, a special program for the Ningols on the auspicious occasion, 8 November, Thursday at 7:30 p.m. The Ningol Chakoba Musings.
Ningon Chakoba se kaudori bra.
Au kauni sanupi.
Janupi ke ano?
Sanupi ohum ne ama katani kaudori di mayum pamba ama katangai.
Sigi ni bisima di yap ti da kai haida ningon sigi da buti yap sawa. Koi kumai de ina haijini.
Happy Ningol Chakoba. The Ningol Chakoba Musings.
Welcome back. A hunter mistaken for an animal was shot dead by another hunter at Chandal district, Singtom village last night. The deceased has been identified as Khupngailan of Singtom village. Local of the village rushed him to hospital nearby. However, he succumbed to his injury. The 25th TKLI Sports Meet 2018, which began on 5th November on the theme Sports, Its Opportunity and Our Responsibilities, concluded at Kuman Lampak Man Stadium, Imphal today.
The 25th edition of Tangkul Katamnau Long Infal Sports Meet 2018 came to an end today at Kumalampak Main Stadium, Infal, with TSU Lamphel FC beating the TSU Jingmairong FC by 3-1 to back the Football Championships title. Speaking at the closing ceremony as chief guest, Minister of Forest and Environment T.H. Siam Kumar said, games and sports discipline a person in life spiritually and physically to become a better human. He also appealed to the organizing committee to continue the event in future so that students and players get an opportunity to train with discipline to help save a better state.
25 sport meets asina soina lamda pasige amade tarul singi oiba inklaiba futures youth myam sinase apaba sana kona bada amade isari thaptoga amade afaba kunai ma sembada afaba apunba Manipur ama sembada amade tangkul singgi culture magi heritage korpam khanna pangko padung bot nami makhalamai.
The 25th edition of TKLI Tangkul Katamnau Long Infal Sports Meet 2018, which began on 5th of November 2018, come to an end today. As many as more than 17 federating units of Tangkul Katamnau Long in Manipur had participated in various events and disciplines like football, volleyball, wrestling and racing. Reporter Blessing Gyangmai with camera person Telis reporting from Kumalampak Main Stadium in Phal.
Diwali night on Thursday, November 7, 2018 saw air quality in Delhi oscillating between severe and hazardous category in several parts of Delhi. The capital registered wet scale violation of the Supreme Court order to burst only green crackers. The 10 p.m. deadline set by the apex court too was not adhered. Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium touching 999 while the US Embassy in Chanakyapuri scored 459, all under the hazardous category. The AQI level from 0 to 50 is considered good, 51 to 100 is satisfactory, 101 to 200 is moderate, 201 to 300 is poor, 301 to 400 is very poor, and 401 and above is severe. And now let us see some newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, reiterating call for an ordinance for the time being. JCILPS rolls up sleeves to take to the streets after Chakoba. Moneytex 2018 Power Loom Day. Event proceeds son's pre-designated chief guest president. Child molested teacher held. MPP set to contest in both LS seats. The People's Chronicle. JCILPS demands government to enact ordinance. Ulfa's Anup Chetia dismisses Paresh Barua death claims. NGO suspension leaves survivors in dire straits. WWI events ends amid flurry of homages. Cultural extravaganza. Imphal Free Press. Nemcha Kipgen announces Ningol Chakoba Bonanza. Imphal Free Press publisher adjudged best by MPPDU. District Police seizes 1,230 Lagao dices. The Morning Bell. Powerloom Day observed at Moneytex. Altogether 201 power looms to become functional in state, Kamei. ATRP FM organizes consultative meeting, adopt 6 points resolution. MPPDU observes the Great Bolshevik October Revolution. Principal charged for raping student. Minister Sham Kumar inspects projects at Andhra. Manipur Mail. Sham Kumar inspects various projects in Andhra. EC requests Mizoram government to ensure peaceful polls. Ulfa refutes reports of Paresh Barua's death. Ready to rename Ahmedabad as Karnavati. Gujarat Deputy Chief Minister.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Feast fairs held at various places in connection with Ningol Chakoba. Chief Minister in Biren, leaders of various political parties greet people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. And MPCC stages protest demonstration over completion of 2 years of demonetization. That's all for the moment, and thank you very much for joining us, and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.